Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze guys in your rear view mirror, the one that's inside guys, it's loose and it's vibrating, stay with us guys, we'll explain how to fix that. Quick introduction guys, we will have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we buy all our parts, okay, the parts for our cars guys, for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So we'll go inside that Chevy Cruze now and I want to demonstrate guys, okay, how loose that side view mirror is and how we're actually going to fix that. So let's go inside now. Okay, and okay, this is the mirror guys. Okay, right here I'm trying to actually go ahead, okay, and show you. Check it out. Now the mirror is vibrating guys. I mean, it's vibrating terribly. You hit a pothole and that thing jumps, it vibrates. It's so annoying that I just hate it. So let me explain now guys, okay, how we're going to fix that. Now it's a little bit hard for you to see. Let me just position, okay, maybe this way. Let me see. Okay, perfect, just like that. So now guys, what we need to do, we need to get a small plastic panel removal tool. Right here we're gonna go underneath guys, pop that thing open. Okay, we're almost there. Perfect. One cover will slide out, the other one will come here guys. So what is causing now guys, okay, that mirror to be loose? Simply guys, okay, that bolt that you see right there, it's just too loose guys. So let me just get the tools quick and I'm going to show you how we're going to get that thing tight. Let me see which tool it is now. Okay, right there. The tool that we need guys, it's okay, let me focus for you here quick. Okay, I'm trying to set the camera to where it's gonna focus. It's a Torx. Okay, Torx 20, start looking bit like that. If you need to buy the tools guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So okay, with that being said, okay, perfect, you can see the screw like that. I'm going to go ahead and get it tight. Okay, perfect. Now check it out guys, that mirror shouldn't go anywhere at all. It's solid guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful guys for any of you having that trouble. Now, if you guys need help with anything, leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem. Don't forget guys to subscribe, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.